Imagine leaving the familiar world behind. Sunlight fades, colors disappear, sound itself seems to thin. As we descend deeper into Earth's most extreme environments, the deep ocean, frozen wastes, volcanic vents, life doesn't slowly adapt, it rewrites itself. Down here, pressure stacks mile upon mile. Temperatures swing from freezing to scalding in seconds. Food is rare. Time moves differently. This is where nature's strangest survivors live. And the first rule they break is simple. Life does not need comfort. At depths where sunlight dies, sight becomes useless. Many creatures here have no eyes at all. Others have eyes so sensitive they can detect a single photon, the smallest possible unit of light. Some fish don't see the world, they feel it, using pressure waves, electric fields, vibrations so faint we barely know how they work. And then there's bioluminescence, living light. Some creatures glow to hunt, others glow to confuse predators. Some glow simply to communicate in a darkness that never ends. Scientists still don't know why so many species evolved light in different ways, or how many undiscovered forms of glowing life still exist below us. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. At the deepest parts of the ocean, pressure becomes crushing, thousands of times stronger than what we feel at the surface. A human body would collapse instantly, but deep-sea creatures don't resist the pressure, they embrace it. Their bodies contain no air pockets, no rigid bones to snap, no structures that fight the force pressing in. Instead, their cells are built like flexible machines, soft, compressible, and oddly resilient. Some proteins inside their bodies only work because of extreme pressure. Bring them to the surface, and they fail. This raises a larger question. Are these creatures adapted to Earth's deepest environments, or are they adapted to conditions that resemble other worlds? Some of nature's strangest survivors don't just resist death, they ignore time. In frozen tundra, tiny organisms can shut down entirely. No movement, no breathing, no aging. Decades pass, sometimes centuries. Then, with warmth and water, they wake up, as if nothing happened. Other creatures, like certain jellyfish, can reverse their life cycle, returning from adulthood back to youth. Not immortality, but something disturbingly close. Scientists still don't understand how these biological resets work, or whether similar processes could exist in species we haven't found yet. Time, it seems, is optional in extreme nature. In places where no plants can grow, where sunlight never reaches, life has found another way. Deep beneath the ocean, near hydrothermal vents, entire ecosystems run on chemistry, not light. Bacteria turn toxic chemicals into energy. Larger animals farm these bacteria inside their own bodies. No mouths, no digestion as we understand it, just living engines powered by poison. Scientists believe this might be how life began on Earth, and possibly how it could exist elsewhere. But how stable are these systems? How long can they survive? No one truly knows. Extreme environments don't just shape life, they strip it down. Unnecessary traits disappear, efficiency becomes everything. Faces flatten, limbs vanish, organs merge or multiply in strange ways. Some creatures barely resemble animals at all. They look unfinished or ancient or like something that shouldn't exist anymore, and yet they're perfectly adapted. This is evolution without comfort, without safety, without mercy. And it reminds us of something unsettling. Normal is a surface-level illusion. Even now, most of Earth remains unexplored. More of the deep ocean is unknown than the surface of the moon. New species are discovered every year, some living in conditions we once believed were impossible. And for every answer we uncover, 10 new questions emerge. How strange can life become? Where does survival truly end? And how much of nature's story have we not even begun to read? Because out there, in the dark, the cold, the crushing depths, nature is still experimenting, and nothing about its strangest survivors has ever been normal.